Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at a Mercedes Sprinter 2500 van. This has the extended cargo and the high top on it. And we have a hot water pressure washer along with a gas engine soft wash system. So if you move in a little bit closer, we'll kind of take a look at how we put this whole thing together. Now for this particular application, the customer is going to use this vehicle in the off-season for a completely different business. So when we built this, we had to keep in mind that they needed to completely remove the skids and the tanks for it to be used for another application. So the way that it's built, all of this stuff can be removed just by unbolting the skids from the floor of the van. Up front we have a 3,500 PSI, 8 gallon a minute Hydrotech SS series pressure washer. This is a hot water unit. We've got the big T series pump on there. There's 8 gallon fuel tanks accessible from right up front. And this has the Honda GX690 engine. You can control the burner. You have all your nozzles right here. There's the temperature control up front as well. And then we also move the key switch so that it's more accessible. Typically it is on the engine itself and not really accessible in this particular application. So a few extra steps we have to take in order to make this work. Behind the engine of the pressure washer, there's a 20 gallon winterizing tank and then just a little bit of plumbing back there. So when we get to the rear of the van, you'll be able to see that a little bit better. So we've also got our protective flooring in there with the aluminum trim, and try and keep this, like I said, as corrosive free as possible whenever you're using bleach in your applications. We'll go ahead and move around back and take a look at everything that we have accessible from the rear. Okay, so from the rear of the van, you can get another glimpse of the skid that we have here, all the equipment on it, and then behind this skid we have a 200 gallon tank. So I'll get into all the details. But again, 2 removable components. You can see that we have the flooring that extends all the way to the rear of the van. We've got 3 of the Titan electric powered hose reels. On the bottom, we've got 100 feet of the 3/4 inch hose. We've got 200 feet of the 3/8 inch pressure washer hose. And on that hose, we've got our high pressure ball valve, so you can switch between your wand and your surface cleaner easily. And then we've got 200 feet of the 1/2 inch soft wash hose. On these hose reels, we've got the premium hose guides. These have the stainless manifolds on any of the reels that are going to be pulling bleach. And then on the pressure washer reel, we've got the downstream injector over here. The injectors we use are adjustable so that you can change the ratio that you draw. And then on the soft wash hose reel, if you move up a little bit higher, you can see the gauge that we have for the soft wash pump. So that just kind of helps us keep that soft wash pump in check, making sure that we're not over pressurizing anything. But we'll move on over. So we've got the P40 soft wash pump here on the gas engine, the Honda engine. We have this attached to a metering system that meters your water, your bleach, and your surfactant. So you can change your ratios easily between roof mix or house wash or just whatever strength that you need. Now on the back of that panel, we've got the remote system so that you can easily switch over and rinse out your soft wash pump, or you can just rinse if you just need to spray water with your system. Now there is a light that comes on that panel that we typically use. Whenever you see it, like on our trailer units, we have it wall mounted and there's a whole remote wall mount panel and then the soft wash proportioner wall mount panel. On this particular application, we've got one mounted on front and one mounted on the back of this same bracket here. And then we just move the light so that you could see whenever you're in rinse mode or when you're in soap application mode. The tank that you see behind there is our 55 gallon bleach tank. Next to it, we've got 2 7-gallon tanks, one for the surfactant and one for just any other soap that you want to downstream through your pressure washer. And then the pump that we have attached to this hose reel here is our transfer pump. So this transfer pump is hooked up to a manifold, and I'm gonna kind of squeeze in here so you can see we can transfer fluid or chemicals to our bleach tank, your soap 1 or surfactant tank, your soap 2 tank, which is the one that you downstream through. And then you can also transfer to your winterizing tank, which is all the way at the front there. And then you can easily rinse this out. We have the dipstick assembly that comes with this. So you just drop this right down into the solution that you want to move into your tanks, and it's got a little quick connect fitting that just pops right in to the manifold there, so it's easy to use. So it pops on one side of the manifold on the pump, and the other side right here. All right, kind of tucks in nicely back there. And I mentioned earlier, we have a 200-gallon water tank in this system. So that water tank is equipped with a float valve so that it prevents it from overfilling. We've got lots of tank filters. So we have a filter that goes before the tank. We've got filters that go after the tank, one to the pressure washer and then one to the soft wash system. So we're doing everything we possibly can to prevent any kind of debris to get into your system or into the pumps of your system. So we want to keep that nice and clean and keep this operating and minimize downtime as much as possible. This particular system is only able to work in a high top van. Like I said, we have the 2500 series here that can hold the weight of the water tank and the equipment, and the extended cargo is pretty much this particular van, whether it's Dodge, Mercedes, or Ford, is how we would be able to fit this system in there. So if you guys have any other questions on this, just give us a call. Thank you.